This video is going to focus on the Wakes Road roundabout, travelling from Oadby Road to Welford Road. As you travel along the road, you will notice as you get closer to the roundabout, there are no signs instructing you on what lane to use, and no road markings giving you any instructions either. You will be told you're turning right, third exit. As you approach the roundabout, select the right-hand lane as you would do normally. As we get closer to the roundabout, we're going to want to move to the middle lane. You must make sure that you check your left-hand door mirror before merging across. So you're checking left-hand door mirror, moving to the middle, centre mirror, right mirror, and signal to your right. As we go around the roundabout, we're going to be keeping to the left-hand lane. You're heading out towards the yellow bollard, keeping to the left-hand side, centre mirror, and signal left. As you exit the roundabout, be careful of buses at the bus stop just after the pedestrian crossing. This second clip is going to focus on a vehicle using the right-hand lane to turn right. Now this isn't the preferred method, but if vehicles do not allow you to pick up the middle lane, you will have to use the right-hand lane. It's fine to do this as long as you stick to the right-hand lane throughout the roundabout. As we approach, same thing, pick up the right-hand lane, centre mirror, right mirror, and signalling to your right. So if you can't blend to the left at this point, stay to your right-hand side. As you enter the roundabout, you will be staying to the right-hand lane. Remember, there always has to be an empty left-hand lane next to you. As you reach the middle part of the roundabout, follow the dotted line to the middle, centre mirror, signal left. As you exit the roundabout, we want to blend to the left as soon as it's safe. Check your left-hand door mirror. Do be aware of vehicles using the left-hand lane and buses at the bus stop.